Hari Om, good morning. Today I am going to discuss spoken English. As you know, English is a language. And language is a medium of communication. With the help of language, we express our ideas, we express our views, we express our feelings. Language is very necessary for a person. How can we be fluent in any language, or how can we be a good speaker of English? That I am going to discuss today. Question arises: what is easy, to speak English or to write English? Generally people feel to write English is easier, but I think to speak English is easier, because as you know, there are many persons in our society who are able to speak English, but there are many persons who are not able to speak English. But one thing is about a language, that every person or every man knows a language to speak. It may be you know Hindi, you know English, you know Urdu, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada or Odia, but you know one language to speak. There may be a problem in writing that language. There are many persons who are illiterate, uneducated, they don't know even their signature, but they have knowledge of one language, how to speak that language. So I think it is easy to speak. You can also teach how to speak to some birds. Like a parrot can speak Ram and Ram, but a parrot cannot learn how to write. So I think it is easy to speak English. If it is easy to speak, why are we not able to speak? There is a cause behind it, that there is hesitation in our heart, and due to hesitation we are not able to speak. We think if I speak, it may be correct or incorrect, so we don't speak. If I speak incorrect, what will people say? People don't know their ability, that I have also capacity, I have also ability to speak. As you know that there is a Hanuman inside all persons. Hanuman was powerful, but he had forgotten his capacity. He had forgotten his strength, that I can cross this sea. When it was told him that you can cross the sea, you have the power of it, you have the strength of it, that time Hanuman crossed the sea. In the same way, you have also ability to speak English. You have to recognize your ability, and if you recognize your ability, it is sure that you will be able to speak English. For speaking English, environment is very useful. If you live in the environment of Hindi, you learn Hindi. If you live in the environment of Bengali, you learn Bengali. If you live in the environment of Tamil, Telugu, that time you learn Tamil or Telugu. In the same way, if you live in the environment of English, it is sure that you will be able to speak English. There will be no problem in it. Sometimes people say, I have no word power, I have no vocabulary. How can I speak? As you know, there are more than 250,000 words in English, and it is not possible for a person to learn all the words of English. If you read English whole life, English is always in your mind, while sleeping, while reading, while writing. Every time, if English is haunting in your mind, even in that condition you can learn maximum 60,000 words at the age of 60. But if you want to speak English, you should know only 1,500 words. Just I am speaking English, you should note down the words which are not known to you, that I am speaking, and you have no knowledge of that word, you have not heard that word. You will find that you also know these words. But what is the problem? I am able to use those words in my sentences, and you are not able to use those words in your sentences. At the cause is hesitation is present in your heart, and I have removed my hesitation. And by removing hesitation, today I am able to speak English. Some people say, what is the importance of grammar? In the beginning, grammar is not very important, because you will see that a person who is speaking Hindi in your area or Bengali in your area, it is not the matter that first he read English, Bengali grammar or Hindi grammar. Just he started speaking, and later on when he got admission in the school, that time he reads the grammar of that very language. In the same way, there is no need of grammar in the beginning. But if you want to speak correctly, if you want to speak in a better way, in a good way, that time grammar is necessary. Otherwise, there is no need of reading grammar in the beginning. It is said that practice makes a man perfect. If you want to be perfect in any field, you have to practice. Suppose you want to ride a bicycle, what do? You sit on the bicycle, you try to ride, many times you fall. When you see your handle, that time you are not able to move your pedal, and when you are moving your pedal, that time it is very difficult for you to balance your handle. You fall many times. Sometimes your bicycle goes to garage, you have to go to hospital, but when you try again and again, you become a good rider of bicycle, and sometimes without holding handle, you can ride a bicycle. In the same way, if you practice to speak English, it is necessary that, it is sure that you will also be a good speaker of English, and there will be no problem in speaking English. What should you do? You should try to change your thinking. Now we think in our mother tongue. It may be you may think in Hindi, someone is thinking in Bengali, someone is thinking in Marathi or Punjabi. But if you change your thinking, you start thinking in English, that time there will be no problem in speaking English. So try to think in English. Whenever you are not doing any work, when you are in leisure, that time try to think your sentences, your feeling in English. And when your thinking will change, that time you will feel no problem and you will be a good speaker of English. What happens when we start speaking? That time we want to speak long sentences. Don't do this. Try to speak simple sentences. Try to speak easy sentences. If you speak simple, there will be no error. If you speak easy, there will be no error. It will be very comfortable for you to form easy sentences, form simple sentences. And what is the aim of language? The aim of language is to make others understand your feeling or your views. So when you are using simple sentences, easy sentences, it is also easy for others to understand. They will understand you easily. But if you use difficult words, difficult sentences, that time others will also feel problem in following you. One more formula, that is the perfect formula for speaking English, that is begin with one sentence. When you want to be a speaker of English and you think that I am not able to speak English, first day you should speak one line. Second day you should increase one more line. Third day you should try to speak 3 lines. Fourth day 4 lines. In this way, if you increase one line daily, that time in 30 days, it means within 1 month you will be able to speak 30 lines. And if you are able to speak 30 lines in 1 month, I think within 3 or 4 months you will be fluent in speaking English. You will feel no problem. But